The Governor of Aceh, represented by the Assistant for Government and Privilege of the Aceh Regional Secretary, M. Jafar, hoped that the Administrator of Indonesia Doctor Association (IDI) in the Aceh region will be able to encourage doctors in Aceh to improve the quality of health services for the people of Aceh. Together, the health sector has been one of the priority programs of the Aceh government for the past 15 years, said Jafar when delivering the Aceh Governor remarks at the inauguration ceremony for the IDI Administrator for the Aceh region 2021 to 2024 at the Hermes Palace Hotel, Saturday, 6 November 2021. Jafar said health is an important component in development. Jafar said the Aceh Sejahtera program initiated by the Aceh government contains three important elements, namely equitable distribution of health services, improving the quality of health services, and providing fair health services for all communities. Meanwhile, Dr. Safrizal Rahman, who was re-elected as chair of IDI Aceh for the 2021 till 2024, said that the COVID-19 pandemic that is still hitting in the country is a serious challenge for the doctor in Indonesia, not in Aceh province, in providing health services. Therefore, he hoped that the Aceh IDI administrator can work hard for the community so that vaccination achievement can increase.